Can I do anything with these salad trees when it comes to replanting? Like, can I cut off a part of this and replant it, or once I'm done picking these leaves, like it's over with this salad? Well, how much life do you think is left in these salad trees? Thanks.
Hey everyone, so this is Rose and I just wanted to take a minute to answer Matt's lettuce question. So the first thing actually is just looking at the plant itself. So seeing how this plant actually has a really thick stem basically indicates that the lettuce has started its flowering process. So you look at a plant, really its goal is to grow, produce seeds, and propagate itself. So that is what it's trying to do there. So what this bolting really means for the plant is that you're going to notice a change in the taste. So as it bolts, generally speaking, the leaves get a little bit more bitter and a little bit tougher. If you're okay with that, then it's definitely still safe to eat. You'll just notice again that it's just a little bit different than when you're eating the young and immature leaves. So his second question then was about being able to regrow that lettuce. So if you took a part of that stalk, planted it in soil, would it work? Honestly, I can't really say that I know, because usually lettuce is harvested before it's actually bolted. So if you'd wanted to, you could actually cut off a piece of that stem and stick it in some water or soil and see if it forms roots. I'm gonna guess that it won't. Only certain plants do form those air roots, but it's always worth a shot. Always give some new things a try. If you were, though, to try to just take a leaf and do that, it almost definitely wouldn't work, because the tissue is so tender that actually just putting it in water or even just putting it in moist soil would probably actually just really soften the material and nothing new would come out of there. So I'd say that the fastest way really to regrow your lettuce is to cut it off at the root base, sort of like you get it in the store, and leave that end in some water or in some soil to form new roots.